Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. And this is Euro USD pair. Okay, we place a higher option. Okay. Some buyers are go to here. Again some buyers are entry. So next level is here. So that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay. Okay, we'll check the next pair. And this is a strong momentum. Okay, I will place a higher option. Why? Because this is a Marbuju candle, and this candle make at least one retracement candle, and this candle broke the round number also. So that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, I will place a higher option. Why? Because this seller's entry, again some seller's entry, and next seller's entry is here. So that's the reason I place a higher option. This also strong bullish candle, and candle make a buyer's area, higher highs. Okay, so that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, and this is a winning trade. So this is okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, this is a strong level. Okay, I will wait for next candle, and this entry is late entry. Okay, I will place a lower option. Okay, this is a strong engulfing candle, and this is also strong sellers area. So that's the reason I place a lower option. And some buyers are here, but sellers are very strong. Okay, this, but sellers are very strong entry. So that's the reason I place a lower option. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, 5 seconds more. Okay, this is a loss of trade. Still some buyers are here. Okay, I will recover this trade. I will place a $60. Okay, I will place a higher option. Oh, very late entry. But don't worry, this is an reversal sign. Okay, candle close above my entry point. I will expect it. Why? Because sellers are here and here. Okay, this is a winning trade. Okay, I will place a 5 trades. Out of 1 trade as loss, 4 trades are winning. So this OTC market is very risky. I will stop the trading. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.